Hello everyone. We all know that we can pay BSNL landline and FTTH monthly bills by UPI applications like GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, Amazon, etc. Alternatively, you can also pay bills through portal to BSNL website or BSNL self-care portal or through offline BSNL lines like exchange, franchise, etc. At this point, a doubt may arise in your minds. We all know the way to pay the bill. So what exactly are trying to convey through this video? So this video is not a clickbait. There is actually something different which I am going to say here. You all know that you can pay BSNL bill through offline, right? Of this, only few of you may be knowing that you can pay additional amount through offline channels. Say your monthly bill costs rupees 600 and you have 1000 rupees in your hand. You can pay 1000 at the offline channel and remaining 400 gets tallied in the next month bill. For most of you this may seem normal, but for some it may be very much useful. This particular feature of BSNL has been only through offline channels and for so long, at least up to my knowledge. Now this feature can be availed online. In this video we will see about doing the opposite feature online. First of all, open portal to bsnl.in. Those who are already users of this portal knows how to use it to pay bills, create customer account, view bills, view plans, etc. We are not getting into that. After the home page opens, hit landline option. Normally a new user to the site has to enter the landline number and phone number to receive the invoice. Since I have already used this portal, it is not necessary for me. You can find multiple accounts here because the website cache stores the data I have entered earlier. So I am clicking random account for which I have paid the bill in the previous month. You will have to do a captcha verification before you enter. After clicking submit, you can see the bill amount and pay option. I have hidden the sensitive information for privacy concerns. You can see the column at the bottom, pay bill amount, or change to higher amount. This, my friends, this particular feature is now newly added to the website. You can continue with the bill amount or pay a higher amount. I am clearing the actual bill amount and entering 800 rupees as the bill, and now click pay now. Before getting into the payment gateway, an advertisement for the free Google Nest Mini offered by BSNL for plans above 750 pops up. You can skip by clicking no thanks button. Now you can see the payment gateway and the edited amount. By selecting the desired gateway, you can pay your bill amount. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, drop a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to the channel. Also, if you find any queries, feel free to drop in the comment section. Thank you.